A former Chief Irrigation Department engineer has been held in Hyderabad. This is Muralidhar Rao, who has been arrested in a disproportionate assets case. This is a crackdown on the irrigation department corruption, alleged corruption in the irrigation department. And now former engineer Muralidhar Rao has been placed under arrest and disproportionate asset case has been filed. There have been raids across 10 locations. In fact, Muralidhar's son's business is under the Anti-Corruption Bureau lens as well, and Muralidhar Rao has been taken into custody. Let's go across to Uma for more. Uma, give us more details of this entire case, and now this senior former engineer has been arrested.
Yes, indeed. The projects that have been undertaken under the irrigation department have been under focus, and the chief engineer, who in fact was involved with a lot of the billing that happened during the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, his residence was raided in Hyderabad, in Banjara Hills area, as well as in Karimnagar, as well as in Zahirabad. And we understand that the office of his son Abhishek was also raided, because the suspicion is that he had to do a lot with the billing that happened at that time. That money that was illicitly got or illegally got at that time had been diverted into the company that's been run by his son, and therefore Muralidhar Rao has been taken into custody. What I must point out is that earlier we had Nunes Sridhar, who is also working as a top engineer in the irrigation department. He's someone who is still in service. Muralidhar Rao has retired. He was also arrested, and in fact he is right now in judicial custody.